Today let's talk about derived typecasting. In Java, derived typecasting, the definition of derived typecasting is converting one non-primitive type to another non-primitive type is called derived typecasting. Let's see one more. Here in derived typecasting, easy relationship is must. We need to have an easy relationship between the classes to achieve derived typecasting. There are two types of derived typecasting, upcasting and downcasting. Let's see one by one. Upcasting, converting subclass reference type to superclass reference type is called upcasting. Here we can achieve upcasting by using the subclass reference type. Here points to be noted in the derived, in the upcasting is it happens automatically. There is no need of any cast operator in case of which we use in case of downcasting. We will be studying later. It happens automatically in upcasting, and we cannot use members of subclass using superclass reference variable. We can only use the superclass reference variable using subclass, but here we can use only superclass reference variable. Here we cannot use subclass using superclass. So this is upcasting. So let's take example of upcasting. Here I have derived class A and class B and class C. Here we can see relationship is a relationship. Here class B extends class A. That is, class B has the link between class A, and class B extends class C extends class B. So C has the capability to access both B and A classes. So here we have written an upcasting operator. That is, we have created a new object. That is, new object of C is stored in reference variable of B, so that here it is upcasting. So using this reference variable, we can access I and J. Here I10 is stored and J20 will be displayed. Here, since K is from class C, we cannot access class C, so that compiler throws the compile time error. Let's have a different. Here A OB2, that is reference variable, B OB2 is the reference variable. I have the object stored in C is casted to A class. That is, the object is stored in reference variable OB2, so that even here we have achieved upcasting. Here, as it is C is reference extended to A, we can only achieve the data present in only class A. That is, here the compiler throws an except, the output will be 10. So I have here the object OB2. By using OB2 object, J and K is mentioned. That is, we cannot use both of these. We cannot use we cannot get object output as it is not included. That is, C's object is stored in reference variable OB2, that is class A. On class A has only one variable. So in the same way, B object is stored in OB3, that is class A. So B, as we know that B extends A, so we can get only A. That is the data type reference variable stored in A, that is 10. We can get this as output. So this is here J and K. It's not OB B is the class from which we have given a reference variable to A, and K and J does not come into picture as it is out of this context. So J and K doesn't compile, so this gives compile time error. So this is a brief example of upcasting. So let's talk about downcasting. What is downcasting? Downcasting, converting superclass reference type to a subclass reference type. That is downcasting. That is, we can achieve the properties in the superclass into the subclass, that is class B. So here this does not happen automatically. As in case of upcasting, it is not happening automatically. We need to specify a cast operator to achieve downcasting. Let's see an example. Here I have taken the class A and class B extends class A. Here in class A I have written int I is equals to 10. In class B it's B j is equals to 20. So let's come to the main method. Here I have first to downcast, we need to upcast. This is to be reminded. So here I have created a new object for A, class A, and this the object of B is stored in the reference variable of A, and by using here it's nothing but an upcasting. B is stored getting into A. And here by using this object reference of b, a into the, that is the b reference variable of a stored in ob1, and this by using this object we are converting into object reference variable of b, that is the data, that the value present in a is getting converted, getting stored into the object reference b, so that the properties which are all present in class A can be inherited into the class B. This is the downcast. This is the downcast operator which is to be used to get the downcast. And here in this statement ob2, that is reference variable 2, ob2 is the b reference variable. So this, if we use this dot I, the I, that is properties present in class A, will be 10. And if I use ob2 dot j, same reference variable, if it, the j here declared, I had j declared as 20, we will give the 20, that is 10 and 20. This will be the downcasted output. So this is a simple example of downcasting operator. Thank you.